Hello, it's Juha Kurvinen from Finland. Hey, welcome to check out quickly this new amazing business opportunity because at the same time you can save your all data and make money. I have been member now 2 weeks and get amazing results with this. So first of all, there's unlimited demand because everybody, we have videos, we have pictures, we have important files. And about 1 year ago, there was some virus came to my laptop, and I lost really important my videos from Vietnam when I was there remote working. And now I don't have any worries because this is amazing. Just under $10, 6 terabytes, and I connect to my laptop, my tablet, and smartphone, and it's automatically everything is in cloud service. So now I don't have to stress if there's virus or I lost my phone or whatever. And then it's even more because first of all, it's the price is like 4 or 5 times cheaper than Google or Dropbox. And then we can earn 200% commissions for the first month. So I want to show you GotBackup back office. Let's go here. So this is the back office, and you can find GotBackup here, digital tools. So I don't know why the webcam is jumping. I'm here again. So you can find GotBackup here, and then use this tool you can download for every device. And reseller tools, this is important because you get 3 different affiliate links. First of all, link to 100% free tour. You can use this one, and it's now converting amazing 42% of anyone who come to this free tour will become a paid customer. This is amazing business opportunity. And then there is the main site if they need to upgrade, and then also new affiliate link about live webinars. And I'm really happy about this. This is so simple. There's banners, ad copy, social media banners, and also all your business info. You make money with so many different ways, and you can see your downline, direct affiliate, live webinars, whatever. So anyway, this is just quickly video. I will make longer videos later, but I highly recommend GotBackup because it's growing right now like a wildfire. Hey, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you later, alligator.